High Power Committee for the Umiam Dam and Bridge has sat under the chairmanship of Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Preston Thinchong, were also present the Chief Secretary, the DGP, District Commissioners, Deputy Commissioners, then the officials from PWD, MECL, and also our consultant from IIT. We had a threadbare discussions, and after all the discussions, it has been decided that from tomorrow onwards, the bridge will be open both ways, and this will be only restricted to, as per the earlier order, restricting only 4 metric ton of vehicles, not above the 4 metric tons. There will be further notification later on, and when that notification will come, I will call you again and explain the situation. So this is the present situation as per the status of Umiam Bridge is concerned. I was telling you earlier also, today also I want to tell you that this entire work is having two components. One component is the dam and the other component is the bridge above the spillway. As the traffic is concerned on the bridge and dam, the portion where the retrofitting work for the bridge is required, it is completed. And further retrofitting may require, that we will decide later on if it requires at all. But for the present scope of work, it has been completed. As per dam is there, almost all the works on the top surface is completed. But still we need to go for grotting in the gallery portion, and that will not hamper the movement of traffic. And also little work is left for the repairing of the cracks in the upstream space of the bridge, and small minor works are there. This will not hamper as per movement of traffic is concerned. The entire cost as of now, it is around 19.9 crore for Umiam Dam only. Restrict, we will relax little bit, but after the foolproof barrier is in place. Within 1 week time, decided that a permanent barrier will be put so that it will be automatically restricted. PWD has been entrusted to find out ways and means to put permanent barricade so that the heavy vehicles cannot enter the bridge, because bridge and more of that, our dam is the most important thing as of now to safeguard its safety. That is the thing. And second thing is that we have already installed CCTV cameras. Yeah, whatever you say, government is decided that a alternative route bypassing this bridge will be in place as early as possible, but it is not an easy work. Number one, we got to find out the alignment, negotiate the contours, and also see that how land position is there. But department PWD is on the job.